What's up, everybody?
What's up? Hi.
So,
Yo.
this channel, this is our first video. This video is about checking out horror games. That's what all this channel is gonna be all about. We're gonna be checking out horror games, and then we're gonna be rating them at the end. So the first game we're checking out, Funny Monkey Horror 2. Alright.
Play this first one or no? No, man. We're just gonna go right into this one. Bet.
We're gonna play the second one, the first one, maybe later.
We'll play that one the next video.
Yeah. Alright.
We'll play that one the next video.
So the first level we're gonna do is housing loop. What the
Yo,
hell?
nobody view us.
Wow.
Nobody view us. Nobody view us. Just go straight go to it. Straight go. We have to run
What the
around.
hell was that?
Yo, it was right there.
What?
It was right there.
What the?
It's over there. It's over there. It's over there.
What the hell? Where are you guys going?
PvP.
No, we gotta go back to PvP. Hey, PvP. Alright, come on.
There's two of them.
Yes, there's two.
Two of them.
Wait,
What happened to all the textures?
wait, what?
Oh yeah, actually, it looks better now. Wait, isn't that basic? This is basic. Hold on, go back. This is basic.
I know this is
No.
basic.
No, kailangan. Let the video Let the video
Don't mind that. Don't mind.
You're gonna heal that. You're gonna heal that.
No!
Don't mind that.
Oh my god!
We left him. We left him all.
Of course my mom always has to sell.
It's fine. It's fine.
We're gonna clip that out the video maybe. I don't even know. I'm too lazy to edit. Can't look at his monster right now. No. Go back.
Oh,
there you guys are.
Oh god.
I got died.
Chat, am I the only one alive?
Yeah.
Chat. Chat.
Where are you, Dempsey? Can you talk? Go. Keep on talking. Dempsey, talk.
Chat. Chat. I see another red light. Chat. Should I be scared?
Dempsey.
Chat. I see another red light, but I'm scared to do anything.
Where are you?
I'm
I
coming.
don't even
I'm
know.
coming.
Oh, right behind you. Who's P? Oh, that's Kent. Oh, no, it's PP.
I'm here.
And not the real PP. Don't get a banned, okay? Please, you dude. This is our first video. Okay. I'm just at one hand because my headset's too big for my to fit on my head. What is that?
No. Go.
What is that?
Go. I hear something.
Wait, where's...
Then see no. Run!
Oh shit! Wait, what the hell? Am I using mod menu or something or what? I didn't even buy mod menu in this game. There's no mod.
I got that.
Oh shit!
I think I killed Henley.
No!
Yeah, they got.
Go.
Run! I hear him.
I'm about to nutter buddy.
Yo. Play your headset.
I run as fast with one hand. Oh! No! No! I got stuck! No! Wait.
I think all this happened.
Hold on.
I'm playing with guys. Hold on, bro. I'm already tired. We're not playing with guys.
Oh shit.
Get out of here, crazy. Wow.
Who's that? Oh, he's going to the other door. He's going to the other one. Oh shit.
I'm dead. Okay.
I watched this chat. Usain Bolt.
Desi, come. No. Oh my god, I made it. Desi, go around. Go around.
Oh god. Hi PP. No, that's PP. That's not PP. That's P. Not please. Not the butt. I know. We're gonna get us demonetized. If this video blows up. Please don't blow this video up. We're gonna get demonetized easily. Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
No.
No, watch this. Watch the real world.
What's this chat?
Oh.
Chat Nike Pros.
Oh, we're stuck.
Are you stupid?
We're stuck. What? Nothing. Yo, where's Pete? Pete, where are you?
Oh shit, this monster's right behind me.
Oh!
Tasha, I'm not Usain Bolt right now. Wait, what the fuck? I look like I had the mono before that! Oh shit.
Come on, guys. He's coming. Hurry!
Why are you following me?
He's onto us, bro. He's onto us.
I don't see him.
That's cause we lost him, bro.
What happened to the other one?
I think he died from the dude. Go, I hear him.
Go the other way, go the other way, go the other way.
Oh, no. I'm not telling you.
The third one I probably want to do is like this. Like the, I want to try I want to try like crossface. I guess we're done with my shows. Alright, chat. So this guy right here, he's gonna be gone for a while. Anyways,
Whoa,
we're gonna do cross.
Please.
We're gonna get demonetized because you guys. I gotta blur that out
Wait,
now.
I forgot.
Okay.
Hold on.
Wait, there's two. Which one should we do? First one or second one?
Yeah, first one. It's following me in.
Second one. What the?
He's not letting us in. Hold on, let's try again.
What the? Oh no, I know it.
Try leaving and join back. Whoa. It's not working.
Yes. Sadly, this doesn't work. Let's try Maze. No. Actually, yeah, try Maze. What the
Yo, why is
hell?
everything black? Hold on, let me check my brightness all the way up.
Yo, this is big.
Yeah, it also is.
Yo, stop. We're gonna get demonetized, bro.
I'm not talking about that. Wait, maybe I am. But no. Let's try other.
What is chasing after us?
I don't know, nothing. It's freaking sound. It's music. Oh, I could freaking lose you on this whole row. Wait, this wall is big. Hold on, we're actually good. Sensi. I mean, PP.
What the?
PP.
What was that? What was that?
Hold on, Desi, look. I mean, PP.
God damn, I gotta put that out.
We can do this.
I gotta put that out 3 times, bro.
I said Desi like 5 times.
God, now I gotta put that out. God damn it. I can't let people know already what my name is.
Okay, Desi.
Oh my god, shut up, Jacob. Shut up, Jacob. Shut up, Jacob. Shut up. Jacob.
PPP. Yo, imagine we did this PPP instead of a P we did a K.
What does that mean?
3 P.
Yo, we're gonna demonetize now, bro.
We need to blur that out.
I need to like half of this video is gonna be blurred out, bro. I swear.
there's literally nothing here. We've been running for so long. Yo, why are you grabbing your, like, one of your arms like this? What are you doing? Just tighten up your VR head strap.
But the thing is, it tries to, like, I can't even, like, it's gonna, like, fall off from my head. That's the thing.
Then tighten up more.
I wanna loosen it up and then tighten it up. That's what I want. Like, there. I think that's better, right? I like doing one.
What would you do if this is coming at you? What would you do if this is coming at you?
I jumped over you, bozo. Where is this monster at?
Probably already chasing us, but very far away.
What if this map's just broken, like the others?
I swear I just heard up.
What? No!
It's me! Why does it look like me?
What the hell is?
Oh, keep on running! Keep on running! We got pinch time, so we're up here. Pinch time! Pinch time!
I'm not pitch coming that. I'm not pitch. Wait. It's not even going after.
Yeah, I'm safe. It's Frank from All Stars!
Oh. Oh. Oh god. Oh god, chat. There's two! There's two! There's two! There's two! Oh! Oh, chat! He's gonna go to chat! Chat! I'm trying to go max speed right now. No! Shut up! Stop! No! 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 Stop! Baby! Baby! Hello? Wait, it doesn't even work! Oh, what the hell? They go away? Shoot the black one. Hello? Stop saying my government name!
Oh, I see you! I see you! Yo, I saw Siren Head! I saw Siren Head over there! What should we do? What should we do?
I don't know.
Bro, pop into your head strap again.
Hold on. Do that.
We're getting demonetized. We're getting demonetized hard.
I just got like a mini. I just got a flash.
Why are you going with? I mean, you're blicky like that. I mean, why is your hand like a blicky?
I can't wall climb. I'm not too sure.
Well, climbing.
See, chat. I'm not really good at the original Girl Attack games because I just got my VR like a couple months ago. So, this map is kind of boring.
Bro, this map is scary. Oh my god, I got scared. We should play in this mode.
Let's try this on Forest.
I'm not doing that, bro.
cat. I can't say the real word because worst.
Yo, where am I? Sensi? PPP? PPP?
Mm-hmm.
I said Dempsey like 20 times earlier.
Bro, you're saying it again.
I said PPP talk, PPP talk, PPP talk. I kept on saying that. We had to blur it out.
I don't even care if you call me by my name no more.
They'll probably get my name after the Jade. Do you hear that?
No, crap, Sherlock, obviously.
Yo, bro, I'm branching. I'm so good. I'm branching.
I'm pinch
Oh,
climbing
yeah,
right now.
my
I
God.
can't pinch climb.
Hold on, bro. You could actually branch in this game. So that's actually gonna get us away from so many troubles.
I'm gonna stand on this shit.
Yo, there's no more trees. There's no more trees. That's the only trees. There's only like 5 trees in a forest, bro. Oh, should we go? I'm scared.
No balls, you go by yourself.
What is that? Yo, those trees are so big. Wait, are these trees big? Come on, man.
Wait.
Chat, why are you going by yourself? Chat, why are you going by yourself? I think I'm catching up.
Whoa, buddy! That's the real Siren Head! Guys, we got real Siren Head! Look up! Look up! Look up! Look up! No! Look up! Look
Go
up!
inside the tent! Go inside the tent! Oh.
You're snitching on me, aren't you?
He's getting closer.
He's not.
Bye, Dexy. Bye, Tracy.
He stopped. Oh! Nah, he doesn't have the balls to move, right, chat? Right, chat? Right, chat! Yo, chat! Chat, I'm lagging!
Get in the tent! Get in the tent! Oh, he got stuck on the tree. He got stuck on the tree. Chat, let's
You won't
chat,
go there,
let's
no balls. No balls, you won't go there by yourself.
I'm stuck. I can't, so I can't.
Oh crap! Oh crap, chat! Oh, he's coming for you.
I got it, truck.
His range is long then, because...
Yeah?
There's another one! What is that?
It gets stuck on the tree.
What is that and why does he run so fast?
Oh, got your head.
What is that and why does he run so fast?
We should run.
What is that and why does he run so fast?
We should really
I've been asking that question for 3 times, bro. Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Ah! Wait, oh. Wait, they don't have jump scares.
Let's go. Let's go down.
Wait, can we, is there more? Oh, chat, they're behind us, chat.
Why are they so fast? Why are they so fast?
What the hell? Yo, he's out. Yo, he's out. The way you run is crazy.
Yo, there's no way. Hold on, chat. Let me do something. I'm dead. Nancy?
Right here. The other guy didn't know.
P.
Shut up with that P. Oh, hi. Bro, you don't know how. There's Cyberhead in this.
He's like,
Alright,
he moves
Were
double
you
times.
guys still recording while I was gone?
Yes, we
Yeah.
still are. Don't curse, please.
Only say a little bit naughty words, not a lot of naughty words.
Yeah, because naughty
I
words
don't
is a
even say naughty
no-no.
words.
Yeah, too many. Or
I
just like not earn us any money.
But I have long ones.
Chat, where are you, chat? Chat, come on, chat.
Wait,
Come on.
Wait, hurry up. We gotta go in PvP.
Guys, chat have long arms.
Alright, whatever. Come on.
Dempsey, look.
Right here.
Burk.
Come on. Let's go.
Guys, let's just run away from Simon. Why did you run like that, bro? You're...
Oh.
Cut that out. Cut that out. Cut that out.
Yeah, I have to. There's no choice, bro.
Cut that out. Cut that out. Cut that out.
Also, I'm sorry, guys. You can see my boundaries because like I'm playing in a small room. My bad, chat. I'm sorry, chat. Ah, man, chat. I'm so sorry, chat. Chat. Please don't. Please, chat. Give me a second. I live in a. No, I shouldn't be saying this on YouTube.
What even?
He
What even is
lives
this?
in a Java hut.
Where the hell is this?
He's on the other side. You've been running away from him this whole time.
Are you
Hold on,
serious
what's
right
up
now?
here? Yo, I'm on top of the world. I'm the king of hill.
No, actually me. Who's recording right now?
You slide
Who's
down.
recording me?
You can slide down, guys. This is a freaking slide.
Oh yeah. Whee!
I got down first,
No,
idiot.
Let's go over here. Yeah, come on.
What was that?
Wait, do I have long arms? Do I have long arms or no?
Dempsey's all the way over there. Dempsey's all the way over there. I gotta go. Dempsey!
Did you hear that?
Now it's
Where
quiet.
are you, bro?
This kid was talking smack to us about us. I see your little name tag.
Dempsey, come on, bro.
Oh god. Oh crap.
What are you running away from?
Bet, Nancy, you really want to get my beast mode?
Hold on.
There's something behind us. There's something behind us.
Keep on running. How am I in? I
God,
get
it
you.
looks like a bear.
Oh my god, it's a bear, it's a bear, it's a bear, it's a bear, it's a bear. Remember the bear that you said, what the frick is that? Whatever the frick that is.
Oh, that one from like the.
Siren's head is over here, by the way. I just saw something, I swear to God. On my soul!
I saw that.
On my soul! No! Oh my god. I'm on the tree. Ow!
Oh.
What the frick is that?
No,
What-
Chat.
let me up.
Chat. Should I go near chat? Chat's running away from me. Ah!
What the frick is that? It's just a hand.
It's just a hand. What the hell is that? Why is it going up to me? Ah! It's in me. It's in me. Pause. It's really getting
Oh my god, bro. We gotta go get him. We gotta go get him.
Nancy, can you talk?
Dempsey?
Nancy? Let's go back to the campfire. Go back to the campfire.
We don't even know where the campfire is.
Over here.
We're lost.
No, we're not. This is a small map.
Oh, for real?
Oh gosh, I'm losing tracking.
I see him. Oh, I see his name tag. Oh, but hurry up, I hear something. Oh, never mind, we made it back to the campfire.
See? That's not Dempsey. That's possessed. It's possessed.
Yes, Ashley. Stop saying my real name, bro. Actually, I don't even care. I don't even care anymore. I'm not even blurring that out.
Yeah, bro.
I think we should just call each other. What is that? Oh, never mind.
It's just.
Let's have a little campfire skit.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna tell you a spooky story. One time, there were 3 guys traveling around here. Hey. No. Don't laugh yet. Hey, stop! I'm trying to tell a scary story. I'm trying to tell a scary story.
I have to
I
put
have
it
long
out.
arms. I have long arms.
Okay, so. What is that?
What is that? That's a gorilla.
Well, I gotta tell the story first. So those 3 guys like us that came here, and those monsters we saw earlier, they got eaten by those monsters.
Yours fast!
Get us on the set.
He went away.
What the freak is that?
That's a gorilla.
Scorpion. Like a freaking scorpion.
It is, but it's like.
Okay, guys, I'm back. I just came back. Oh God.
What do it look like? Does it have a face? Oh, what the hell?
It looks like a Canadian from South Park.
Yo, chill!
Okay.
No racist jokes.
No, like
Guys, watch me around this. Watch me around
We're
this.
gonna get the
Alright, back, go. Go ahead. Don't go near it, bro. It's gonna kill you.
Bro, how do I have long arms?
It's not coming for you.
That even scared me.
Okay.
Oh god.
I got scorpion. I got scorpion.
Yeah, that's right. You
so-
suck.
So
Stop, man.
It's fine.
Okay. So there were once 3 monkeys here.
What the fuck?
Come on, dude. Come on, hurry.
I spawned on top of it.
So there were once 3 monkeys just like us, okay? They ventured into this forest just like us.
Yes.
And it wasn't long before they saw that exact creature. They weren't exactly the fastest, but they managed to get far away. Hey, no!
Bro, can we go back? I'm scared.
I can't tell my story, bro.
Okay, hurry up.
But just
That's
when they
different.
thought they were safe, a bear came out and just ate them alive. The end.
Nice. Now
Boo! Bad story!
I just hear
How dare you
Dempsey
make fun of my
saying boo.
story? I think it was a pretty good one.
Yo,
It's
why
terrible.
Which
is
level are we going to next? Which level?
Death Town. What is
Why am I
that?
feel like
scary?
that? Look at my shoulder! Look at my shoulder! At least
Alright,
it
well,
gives me
come
free
on.
long arms. It gives me free long
What
arms.
the?
Imagine being a wuss and just staying up there.
Mm.
No!
I'm not going down there. You're
Let's go.
tripping.
Oh, he did.
What were you laughing?
Where'd it go? Dempsey? Where's Dempsey go?
No! Why is it not letting me up?
Where's Dempsey?
Chat! Chat, I'm scared!
Huh?
Where are you? Where are you?
Ah, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Ah!
He's coming! He's coming! We gotta get out of here quick!
On my soul, where are you, Dempsey? Oh, he's
He's on top! We gotta run! We gotta run! Come on!
He behind us? Oh, he left.
Yo,
No! Come back!
He left, he
Come
left.
back!
he's right there.
Where?
Where's Dempsey?
I don't see him. Come on. I'm not
Hey,
trying
look,
to
he's
stick
in
around
here.
for this.
Push. Go, go. It's too. It's too bright.
Why does that dude look like Seek from Doors?
Guys, I made it. I made it to like a room.
I made it back to spawn.
Fancy died.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, sorry. Wait, we're spawn. We're spawn.
It's up where I'm at. It's up where I'm at. Come on, come on,
Fancy?
come on. Here we go.
I'm upstairs.
Where's Fancy?
Hello?
Where's Fancy?
I'm right here, guys. Chat right here.
Come on. I'm right here.
No,
Fancy, you suck.
I can't walk high. I can't walk high. I can't walk high.
I feel like he's gonna come through here.
No,
What is that,
obviously.
Hello? Where are you
that?
guys? Where are you guys? Oh.
Run.
It's that.
No! Run! Go, 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 go! No! I'm alone. Never mind. Well, I'm not technically alone, but still.
Fancy above us. Fancy above us. Fancy, we're dead.
I keep on doing it. He's not even that scary, I'm not even gonna lie. He comes out of nowhere. I don't know. Ah, never mind, I regret it. I got karma.
He's right there. He's right there.
Are you going after me?
Guys.
We're going up the staircase. Yo, I see you.
Huh? Where are you? Oh,
Yo,
okay,
Eric.
there you are.
I made it. Fancy.
Where?
I'm right here.
I hear him screaming, bro. Come on. Come on, get back up here.
He's down there.
You have a hunchback. You have a hunchback.
You too.
No.
Bro, your neck is like.
Why
Your neck is-
are
you
you
don't
so
even
worried
have a
about
neck.
that, bro? There's some monsters screaming.
Fancy.
We played every
Okay,
map. We played every map.
There. Nobody sell. Everybody just run. Wait, I hope you know that's where it spawns, right?
Wait, what? Are you being for real?
It spawns like over there. And like.
Are you being for real, bro? Cause
It spawns like anywhere.
Come on, let's go.
Hold on, let me teach the class. Look.
wait, that upstairs wasn't even scary at all.
I know.
What the fuck?
But it's so Kendry?
Bro, that's not even scary. I'm going.
Alright. Guys,
knows you
we're
want
gonna
that.
end the video right here, chat. Chat, I know this
sir.
video wasn't good.
Oh,
Chat,
my
I'm gonna have to.
arm.
What is wrong with my neck? Alright, chat. We're gonna do this actually without the other person. This is gonna be the end of the video. Goodbye, people. Thank you for watching this good ass video. Make sure you
Yes,
like and
sir.
subscribe. It's the first video. We're
Wait,
gonna
hold
post
on,
the
where-
next one
hold on,
tomorrow.
hold on. We actually need to find him. I think he's still embarrassed.
Hold on, chat. Let's do. We need to do this.
We went out. We're out.
We're off the map, buddy.
We're out. Get off the map. Die. Get off the map. Anyway, since we dealt with that,
Anyways, about that. Don't mind that. Anyways, where's
My
my
arm?
neck? I'm so worried about my neck.
somebody ripped out my arm. Well, I have no neck like you, and my arm is ripped.
Alright. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you. Like and sub, please, por favor. It's our first video.
Hold on. Let
Thank
him
you so
wait
much.
for him, bro, because this kid is taking too long. Bro, we're about
Oh
to
my,
we're about to
my bad guys, my bad guys.
Where are you guys? Where are you guys?
Alright, come here. We're ending.
I'm here.
Alright.
And he still doesn't want to listen. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is.
Alright. Stand right
We're
here,
recording the
stand
ending now?
green stands right here, and I stand right here. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. It's the third outro we
Well,
got
that's the third
now.
time?
We're doing this the third time
go.
because he doesn't even know where we're at. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. And we rate this game. What do you guys rate it?
I rated
think I rated
like a 9. I have to rate it a
Solid 9. Yeah. Yeah, 9
Yeah,
out of 10.
9.
This game
I
actually
rated
got me
like-
screaming.
9, yeah. Yeah. So, I think,
9 in total.
yeah.
Yep.
You, smartass, do the 9 plus 9 plus 9.
Alright. 9 plus
Uh,
9 plus
20.
9, that equals to 27 out of 30.
Yes,
Yeah.
King. Alright.
Yes.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I just put a mod
Okay.
menu. I don't know how.
Uh,
Oh.
whatever,
why else
let's
is-
just
What the frick? Oh, it's not a mod menu. It's like a. It's rolls.
Okay,
whatever.
anyways.
Whatever.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. We're gonna post another video tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah.